Why meditation is important. Folks, I've been meditating for over a decade, and here are the 11 reasons why I believe meditation is important. I made this from the perspective of some of my spiritual mentors, authors, including Abraham Hicks, Neale Donald Walsch, and Lorna Byrne, along with general benefits. So here we go. Number 1, it reduces stress and anxiety. Meditation helps calm the mind and reduces stress levels by promoting relaxation and decreasing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Regular practice can alleviate anxiety and improve emotional well-being. Why it's important, reason number 2, it improves focus and concentration. By training the brain to stay present and mindful, meditation enhances concentration and attention, leading to better productivity and performance in daily tasks and work. Number 3, meditation promotes emotional health. Meditation fosters a greater sense of self-awareness, helping individuals understand and regulate their emotions. This leads to improved emotional resilience, a more positive outlook on life, and increased happiness. Reason number 4, meditation aligns you with higher consciousness. Meditation connects you with your inner being, source energy, and divine wisdom, allowing you to access higher guidance and insights. Reason number 5, meditation raises vibrational frequency. By meditating, you raise your vibrational frequency, making you more receptive to positive manifestations and experiences aligned with your desires. Reason number 6 why meditation is so important. It enhances spiritual awareness and connection. Regular meditation practice deepens your connection to spiritual realms, including angels and higher consciousness, fostering a sense of oneness with the universe. And reason number 7 why meditation is important, it supports physical health. Meditation has various physical health benefits, including lowering your blood pressure, improving the quality of your sleep, and strengthening your immune system. Meditation can also help manage chronic pain and reduce the risk of heart disease. Reason number 8, meditation fosters inner peace and emotional stability. Meditation promotes emotional resilience and stability, helping you find tranquility and balance in the present moment, even amidst challenges. And reason number 9, meditation cultivates compassion and love. When you meditate, it opens up your heart to divine love, encouraging kindness, empathy, and compassion towards yourself and others. Reason number 10, meditation supports healing and personal growth. By providing a space for deep reflection and introspection, meditation facilitates healing and personal transformation, empowering conscious creation and personal growth. And last but not least, reason number 11, meditation instills hope and positivity. It shifts your focus from fear and doubt to love and light, instilling hope and positivity by helping you see the beauty and goodness in life. Folks, these points highlight the multifaceted benefits of meditation, emphasizing its role in fostering spiritual growth, emotional well-being, personal empowerment, and physical health. Let me know if I missed anything or if you have any questions in the comments below. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye for now.